Hello friends, in this Facebook ads course video, today we will give you the detailed information about the sizes and specifications. Friends, we have brought you a Facebook ads course. In this course, you will learn practically, but if you have noticed properly, then in every ad, there are various requirements of some sizes as well as specifications. Since there are different formats and different placements, so you need to know the perfect size and specifications for each. If you are aware of that already, then you can run the ads smoothly. If sometimes there are discrepancy in sizes, so ads either don't work or our ads get rejected. So therefore friends, that's why this video is very important and useful for Facebook ads everywhere. So be sure to watch this video till the end and save those information we are giving you about sizes and specifications for yourself. So that's why you should watch this video till the end and implement it practically, and I hope that you are liking this Facebook ads course. Before we move on to the video, I want to give you an important update. Friends, Marketing Fundas has brought you a fusion course for the first time in which you will learn the fusion of artificial intelligence and digital marketing, which means how we can use AI in the digital marketing and we can increase productivity and how can we use them by integrating them. Because these are future skills, and if you want to build your career, grow your business multiple times, so you should know this. Call the given WhatsApp number to get information about the course. Let's move on to the video and learn.
Hello friends, welcome to Marketing Fundas. So in today's video, we'll be discussing about Facebook ad sizes and specifications. So guys, let us begin without any further delay. First, we'll open the Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, we will search facebook.com. And then we will open the profile. You will see the profile interface, and you can see in the left corner, right below your profile. After scrolling, you will find the option of Ads Manager just below the marketplace feeds and events. And friends, if you don't see Ads Manager in your profile here, then you click on the See More button, and by scrolling, you will find the Ads Manager here. Then click on Ads Manager. You can see that your Ads Manager has opened and you have three levels of settings. One is a campaign level setting, then ad sets and ads. Basically, we will create ads. We will click on create ad and we will choose any ad objective. For this, we will choose awareness here and click on continue. You can see the settings for all three levels with ad campaign level, ad chat level setting and ad setting. We will click on the ad setting. And here we can see that what specific sizes are needed for the media here at this point. We will scroll from here. We can see in the ad setup, we have the format option. And in the format, you have the ad format given where you're given a single image if you're using it. You'll select a single image, or if you want to select a single video and want to use in your video, then you can also select a single video. One option is given of carousel. If you are wanting to use multiple images and multiple videos, 2 or more scrollable images or videos, right? So if you want to use multiple images and multiple videos, so you select carousel. If you are running ad on an e-commerce platform, then you would use collection here, where you can use images in a group format. Basically, I will select the single image because I want to use a single image. We will scroll, click on the ad creator, and then proceed to click on the image ad. So here you have three options. You have primary text. In this, you will put your heading. I will fill it up and show you. So friends, as you see, I'm creating an ad here for car selling, where I have filled in all the necessary descriptions and headlines regarding car selling. If you solve, you can see here the learn more option is there. So you can select from the call to action. Whatever is related to your ads, I am clicking on shop now here because I'm running the car selling ad, and I'll click next. Friends, this is the main option where you can select and upload different sizes of media so that you can show the ads to the users in the proper way. We'll click on upload. I uploaded an image. Then click next. Here you have the option showing up about the image ratio of 1:1 and 9:16 and then 1.91/9. These three ratios are given to us. You can use them according to your own needs. I'll click done. And then you can see here in the feed, the ad sizes and specifications. So here we have feed size and ad specification. Here you can see in the feed, your ad size specifications are given to you, right? And here you have the size for both Instagram and Facebook feeds. If you scroll, then it's also given in Instagram stories and Facebook stories as well, in which if you haven't optimized the sizes properly, so those sizes are for your feeds or Instagram feeds, like you can notice on the screen. Here your ads, and it's not showing here because you haven't optimized it properly regarding Facebook. Here you will not see the media which we are using. If you want to show media, then you have to follow the Facebook guidelines for the sizes provided. First, you have to select them. Let's see a blog. We'll look at an article made by Facebook. So here, to think through this problem, we'll look at an article posted by Facebook. You'll find it in the description. This is an article. So the specifications and sizes are given. What kind of specifications can we use for Facebook feeds? So you have design recommendations given. If we talk about the file type, you should use JPG and PNG. And the ratio will be 1.91 by 1, as you can observe, and 4 by 5. So the ratio for this will be 4 by 5 here. Wait, just give me a minute. Please wait. Okay. Here your ratio size will be 4 into 5. And for the resolution size of 1 to 1, you will need 1080 by 1080 size. And this for 4 into 5. Friends, you are at this article now. The article's link will be available in the description. As you can see here, choose placement. Here I selected the Facebook feed. In the Facebook feed, you have recommended designs and also sizes. Facebook is providing these. The file types you can use are JPG and PNG. The ratio you will use is 1 by 1 and also 1.91 by 1. Moreover, 4 by 5. And here at this point, if I talk about the resolution, then for 1 by 1, the resolution will be 1080 and 1080 pixels. And for the size of 4 by 5, the resolution will be 1080 by 1350 pixels. So if I talk about the text specifically, so if you are using primary text, then you can use 50 to 150 characters. And if you are using headlines, then you can use 27 characters. But if I talk about the technical requirements here that Facebook itself has recommended, so there you can use the maximum file size of about up to 30 MB. And there is no requirements of minimum size, right? So you can have maximum of 30 MB. If I talk about the maximum width, it would be 600 pixels. That is the most you can use. Apart from that, here talking about the minimum height, for 1 by 1 ratio, it's 600 pixels. And for 4 by 5 ratio, you can take 750 pixels of the minimum height as specified here if you notice. So friends, if I talk about the specific recommendations for Facebook Story, Facebook Streamline, Facebook Marketplace or placements and their media sizes, if you select them. For instance, I select Facebook Reels. So now in the section of Facebook Reels, the specifications will be changed in this case. Now the ratio is 9 by 16 and the resolution will be 1080 into 1080 pixels. So this should be the minimum resolution here, although basically you can use more than this here. And if I talk about text recommendations here, then for the primary text, it is 40 characters. And for the headlines, you can use 55 characters. If I talk about technical specifications and requirements, then your maximum file size will be 30 MB and minimum width will be 600 pixels and also minimum height will be 600 pixels. And aspect ratio tolerance that you can use is up to 3% so that your image is not blurry or not visible. If I discuss Instagram, you have options for both Facebook and Instagram feeds. And if I talk about Instagram stories, let's take a look at Instagram stories. So in that you can use JPG and PNG sizes. And the ratio is 9 by 16, just like you have it in Facebook and Instagram. If I talk about Facebook and Instagram stories, so they have the same specifications. But text recommendations can be changed. You can use up to 125 characters for the primary text. And the maximum file size you can use is 30 MB. And minimum width is 500 pixels. And the aspect ratio tolerance is only 1%. Is it clear? If you are using it in awareness, then there will be different size. If you are using it for traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion and sales, then there are different size in different ways. Friends, here, there are a lot of sizes given. If you want view available calls to action here, which is given here, and if you want to choose an action button from the given options, you have downloads, apply now, try in camera, get, show times, contact us, learn more, and a lot of things are given to us. You can use any of them from here according to your ads campaigns and their requirements. So whatever's going with your ad campaign, you can use. Now, the ad will be based on your specific location, which you can target by your needs. So if I'm using it in Delhi, I am targeting the audience of Delhi. I select Delhi as my location. Now, let's continue. If you can see here, so you have Instagram and Instagram Explore Home. For example, Facebook has feed in it. So similarly, Instagram has Explore in it. If you go to Explore and click, so you can see here in Explore. Then you can see here like this is an ad and you can see the specification here. If I talk about it, it's 9:1:6 of the ratio. The file type is JPG and PNG. You can use a resolution of at least 1080 into 1080, which is a must for the ad. If I discuss text recommendations, then you should have a primary text of 125 characters only. So I hope you guys liked the video here. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.
So friends, I hope you must have really liked this video. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries, you can also write them to us in the comment section. Also, friends, if you like the content that we provide, then please share the channel with others. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on these important courses. And you can get the upcoming videos on time. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.